That said, we're going to try something new where I'm actually going to do a live pendulum check. Now, people have been asking for this, and I've been trying to wrap my brain around technically and logistically how I do this, and I've tried quite a few different things, and they're just not coming together. And so we're going to go completely analog. So I'm going to switch over to my pendulum checking station. Bear with me, the camera may seem unsteady, but we're just going to try this as an experiment. And if anybody out there has suggestions as far as how I can set this up to make this work better, I'm all ears. But so let me switch over to our analog pendulum.
Kamala Harris. Now remember, go easy on me, guys, because, okay, I'm hearing the question of, does Kamala Harris make it into office? Let me show you something. Let me just ask the pendulum. Pendulum, please show me a no. So there's the no motion. Pendulum, please show me a yes. And it's moving slowly. And that is the yes motion, basically. So, all right, so we're going to ask, does Kamala Harris make it into office? Oh, we need to do this. Does Kamala Harris make it into 2025 President of U.S. office? See, you gotta kind of be accurate with it. Okay. Does Kamala Harris, a lot of energy, folks, a lot of energy. That is a solid yes. That is a pretty solid yes. There was a lot of energy going through me. Now remember, when you pendulum check, the energy rolls through you. And I got to tell you, doing this live with you guys, it's really amplified. Okay, so we just did that. And then I can hear right on the tails of that, I can hear spirit teams say, but it will be delayed. There's a lot of energy in that. So let's pendulum check that. All right, so that statement right there, let me see if I can slide, like the pendulums are moving really, really fast. Okay, yes. Okay, so Kamala Harris is going to make it into office as the next president of the United States, but is going to be delayed. That's a lot of energy. Okay. Okay, all right, I'm gonna stop here for just a second. All right, from here, I can hear somebody saying, there will be road blocks. It will look like it won't happen, but it does. Then I can hear, there are details that need to be secured after what they're saying, the filings. All right. So, and then I can hear spirit teams say, if you thought you had to hold really good presence during the wait, you're going to have to amp that up even more, people. So basically what they're saying is the trial of waiting made us strong for this next step. Whew. Okay, let me run the pendulum over this. So I'm pendulum checking right there. Whew, there will be roadblocks. It will look like it won't happen, but it does. Actually, not as much energy. So let's ask, I'm asking Spirit World, the thing about the roadblocks, it will look like it won't happen, but it does. Okay, that is sitting. If you saw how the pendulum was swinging, that was swinging right there. So this is a percentage chance of this happening, which means there's a potential of this happening. And I would say like the 50% mark would be right there. So this is about the 40% mark, I would say. Well, I can hear somebody say, Dana, that's pretty accurate. Somebody's sending energy through me there. Okay. This top one, does Kamala Harris make it into office? Like that had, boom, that was like thunderbolt energy, yes. but it will be delayed. That had a lot of energy. When we get down to roadblocks, there's a, let me just check in on that. When we get down to roadblocks, there's a partial yes on that, that's sitting at about a 40%. There are details that need to be secured after the filings. That's this one is a yes, but it's grounded. So the pendulum went calm. The trial of waiting made us strong for this next step. Okay, see where the pendulum is swinging? Okay, so the pendulum swung on that solidly right there and gradually into a solid yes. So those of us who are spiritually on this path and holding presence with this, it's going to gradually take us time to get to this place to go, oh my God, we're not seeing it happen at once. Oh my God, there might be roadblocks. Oh my God, but this is the process where we need to learn to stand our ground. And what we have been doing since the evening of the election, that's what we have been learning how to do, is patiently, as much as we can, stand our ground. We're going to have to continue to do that. And what is that? Presence practice. Being very present in your body with all of this. Whew. Spirit team, is there more? Folks, there are more questions for me to pendulum check. Then I can hear somebody say, the road ahead is not clear or certain, but it will work. That's landing in a solid. See how you can do a channel and listen to Spirit Team and run the pendulum over it and begin to get more answers like this. To me, a pendulum totally it's an antenna or a lightning rod for more energy to come through and get more and have more information come through. Then this is the next thing coming through. Donald Trump and team will get in the way, but their efforts backfire. Like the feeling that I get from this is the more that they try and rectify things, the worse they make it. And the worse they make it, this is where they screw up. And this is what gives them away. Like they get in, their Spirit team is like, pendulum check that. Donald Trump and team will get in the way, but their efforts backfire. This is how they make it worse, and this is how they screw up. This is the equivalent of them shooting themselves in their own feet. And they can't help it because this is who they are. Now Spirit Team is saying the thing about safety. Right here, Spirit Team is saying, as this is happening, this is where it gets dangerous publicly for a lot of us. So like right here, as this is going on, there's a lot of people in the Republican camp that they won't believe this. They'll joke about it. They'll scoff. They'll be like, oh yeah, they're just sore losers. They won't believe this. But when this begins to happen, this is when MAGAs may become dangerous. This is where we need to have our heads up and be safe. And Spirit Team is saying this is where things are going to happen out of the blue. And this is where violence and backlash could begin to happen, because this is when people in the other camp are going to begin to go, oh God, this is happening. Oh my God, this is real. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. This is where, when we begin to see Donald Trump and team begin to shoot themselves in their own foot and the tide shift happens, that's where we're going to need to be very aware of our personal safety on a daily basis. Spirit Team cannot emphasize this enough.